What is the one thing you need to practice every day to improve your communication skills? Hi guys, my name is Deepak Shukla, founder at the Pearl Lemon Group. We are a sales development training and communications, importantly, agency based in the UK, USA, and serving clients worldwide. And we are here back today in day number 5 of 106 days of agency and corporate communications training. So fundamentally, feel free to, of course, click the link below to get the additional 77 strategies we're not sharing in this training. And if you're watching this on the YouTube, yeah, please do comment, like, and subscribe if you're enjoying this. There's plenty more where this came from. So look, the one thing to practice every day to improve your communication skills is, this is the secret. I'm about to reveal it. And it's actually not a practice as such. It's about having accountability. Okay? So the one thing that you need to practice every day, this is actually a bit of a life skill, guys. The one thing that you need to, I'm gonna type it instead. The one thing you need to practice every day is accountability. You need to have someone who holds you to account for the fact that you ain't doing the work. You ain't doing the work, man. You said you wanted to improve your communication. You said you'd send me a voice note via WhatsApp, or a voice note via Slack, or a voice note via Snapchat, or a voice note via wherever it may be, and you didn't do it. Why'd you not do it, Holmes? Why'd you not follow through, homie? Do you see what I'm getting at here, guys? That the one thing to practice every day to improve not only your communication skills, that it's a life skill. And I'm getting quite worked up now because I think about why people say to me, Deepak, you've got unrealistic expectations, or Deepak, guys, accountability is what you need to practice. If you say you're going to do something, then ask someone else to hold you accountable to it. If you say you want to improve upon something, if you're here to improve your communication skills, it ain't nothing gonna change if you don't practice accountability. You need to, in the first instance, hold yourself to account. It's you. It's you, day 1, who's going to be there, and day 101, and day 1001, and day 10,001. It's going to be there for yourself. But along that way, along that fabled journey, then do make sure you are getting accountability check-ins, okay? Practice being accountable to your word. You said that you wanted to improve your communication skills, or you thought about improving your communication skills. If you're not here to improve your communication skills, then leave. Get out of this kitchen, because what we're cooking ain't for you, sir. Ain't for you, madame. Ain't for you, Sailor Jim. Ain't for you, you sorry Sally. You should really think about getting yourself into the place where you can be accountable for the journey that you're on. Because if you're here to do a mission to accomplish something, then just it's just important to be accountable. So the one thing to practice every day to improve your communication skills is really accountability. Because if you're not putting in the work, and someone is not, if you're not holding yourself to account, if you're not getting a structure around you to hold yourself to account, that can be telling your friends and family, that could be posting something publicly on Facebook, it could be a multitude of things, it could be all of those things, then you're much more likely to not improve your communication skills, because you're not holding yourself accountable, and that makes you much more likely to fail. So look, it's a simple point, but it's one that, if I'm being honest, most people that I see that are not successful, they fail at. They don't progress in their lives. They don't get the independence, the nourishment from relationships, the progress, the personal and professional growth, because accountability is, it underpins everything that you want to improve upon. Okay, this isn't just about communication, it's about your friendships, it's about your romantic life, it's about your profession, it's everything. If you want to get from A to B in terms of development, then holding yourself and holding yourself to account to the practice, okay? And that's the thing here. Holding yourself to account to the practice, the work, every day, the work. You gotta be accountable to it. You gotta be accountable to someone. And if you can walk that road, and the road's going to be like this, okay? It's going to be like this. Look at this. And it ends in an arrow. It ends in an arrow. But look, you started here and now you're here. That's what the road's going to look like, my friend. But you got to walk that path. So, guys, the one thing to practice every day to improve your communication skills is to practice accountability.